Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing the textual exercises of the poem After a Bath. In your textbook, page number 17, you have some questions. The first question is, do you like to have a bath? Say why. The answer is yes, I like to take bath because it keeps me clean and healthy. If you say no, I don't want to have a bath, I you say the reason also why you don't like to have a bath. Okay, like you like to trouble your parents. So it depends upon you. Whatever answer you want to write, you write it. Can you bathe yourself? Yes, I can take bath myself. So if you cannot take bath yourself also, you write no, I cannot take bath myself. So depends upon one's personal life. So how do you dry yourself? I dry myself with a soft towel. The fourth question is, have you seen an animal drying itself? If you have seen an animal drying itself, you write yes, I have seen a dog drying itself, or I have seen an animal drying itself. Which animal also you have to mention. Here I have mentioned dog. So which animal you have seen drying itself? If you have seen a cat, write a cat. If you have not seen at all, say no, I have not seen an animal drying itself. So these question answers are purely on your personal experiences. Now the same page, page number 17, put a circle around what you do after a bath. Throw the wet towel on the floor, hang the wet towel to dry. So you don't throw the wet towel on the floor. If somebody is doing that, please circle this. If you are hanging the wet towel to dry, then circle this. I will circle this, hang the wet towel to dry. Next, page number 17 itself, he has given I have teeth. Right side of the page, they have given I have teeth so sharp, but I never bite. What am I? The answer is a comb. He has given the answer in reverse. So please check. Now he has given some pictures of trousers, shoes, shirt, socks, cap and belt. You have to match it with the correct spelling. Now let me see where is trousers. T for trousers. Trousers, trousers. So I match this. Now these are shoes. So where are shoes? There are so many words with S. So I should know the spelling of it. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. So I go to match this. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-O-C-K-S, socks. C-A-P, cap. B-E-L-T, belt. Okay. The next page, that is page number 18, He has given list of items and their names. This is a needle, so Needle, needle. So this is matched with thread, Thread, thread. Now this is a bat. These are socks, a shirt, a bowl. These are shoes, shorts. We have already matched this thread with needle. So this is spoon and ball. Now you have to match bat with the ball, Ball, ball. Socks with the shoes, Shoes, shoes. Shirt with shorts, Shorts, shorts. And a bowl with the spoon, Spoon, spoon. So this is how we have to match, seeing the picture as well as reading the word with respect to the picture. Next is in page number 18. He has given my name is and my friend's name is. So actually he has told you to paste. In page number 19, he has given a butterfly, a bee, one more butterfly and a bee. Okay, and he has given some dots and he has given an arrow mark. This is how you will be going to match with the flowers. Okay, the first one is done for you. Now the same way, the bee to the flowers, go like this. Okay, the bee has almost reached the flower. Now this butterfly you have to take to this flower. So I am following the arrow mark. This is how you will do it. Next, the bee to this flower. So again I follow the arrow mark. This can be done in your textbook itself. Now in page number 20, he has given some dots in a zigzag way. So again I follow the arrow mark. I join the dots. Yes, and again here also this is a pattern where again I follow the arrow mark. And I finish it. Now I am going to put the same pattern to this fish. This can also be done in your textbook. Whereas the matching and question answers, you will do it in your notebook. And here I put a different pattern. Any way you can choose your pattern and draw on this fish. And color it also. I take yellow color. So page number 17 and 18, you will do it in your notebook, whereas 19 and 20, you can do it in your textbooks. Hope you all complete it and send to my email. Thank you.